Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to paint my BTS Louder Than Bombs design. Start by applying a dark purple to your thumbnail and a medium purple for the rest of your nails, and while I didn't show it, I did apply base coat before all these colors. Then I'm taking the dark purple and drawing a V shape from my index nail to my pinky nail, and then I'm just going to fill in this shape down to the tip, and then I'm taking a light purple and drawing another upward sloping line and filling that up to the cuticle. And basically this is a connected design, so that means that when I put my nails together, they should line up and create a full picture. So for this design, I decided to use the Burn the Stage poster, and why I chose this design is because I think it best represents the lyrics of this song, which focus on BTS's growing shadow as their popularity grew, especially in recent years. And what I love about the song is how sad it is, about how there's so much pain and sadness that goes into BTS's craft, but how they are remaining undeterred now that they are 7 years into their career, how they are still making what they love despite what people have to say about it, despite any other external pain that may be, caused by other people who hate on them or who want to put them down for no reason. At the beginning of the song, there's a lot of surrendering, you could say, because louder than bombs I break, all the rain pours out. So that's in 나쁨들, like there's a lot of pain that's just happening, and they're not really doing anything to overcome it or to alleviate it. Instead, it's just happening. But I believe there is a turning point when they say that the days where they are running away from their shadow will be no more, and Suga says no matter what he does, he gets caught up in useless nonsense. And it's kind of like, why is this so useless? Like, why am I wasting my energy to focus on this stuff when I can just continue doing what I love? There's also this sense of togetherness, or BTS telling us to take action when they say 어디라도 있단 걸 두려워 마라. 어떤 밤이 날 삼켜도 날 포기하진 않아. 널 위한 fight will shine, which means I want to tell you that darkness exists everywhere. Don't be afraid of it. Whatever night may swallow me, I don't give up. The fight for you will shine. So even though BTS's shadow has been growing throughout the years, it doesn't hurt them anymore, it doesn't bother them, and in fact they're just going to focus on what matters most to them, which is the louder cheers and also the brighter lights. And as such, I use purple glitter to represent the army bomb sparkling in the dark. And then I use white and 2 different shades of purple to add confetti around the boys because that's how they appeared in the poster. And for the thumbnail, I wanted to focus on another part of the song that stood out to me, which was about the waves and the quiet sea. So the lyric is 고요한 너의 슬픔이 나를 흔들어 조용한 나의 바다의 파도가 일궈내, which means silent sadness, it shakes me, in my quiet sea waves would sometimes rise. And this is alluding to how BTS can hear ARMY's worries and concerns, but they are not able to individually reach out to every one of us. And yeah, I think that just speaks to how BTS, makes their music for healing every person out there. And that speaks volumes about BTS's musicality as a group, because they're saying that they have sacrificed so much and there is a certain pain or sadness to their job. But louder than bombs they break, louder than bombs they say, and louder than bombs they continue to sing. Now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. So that is it for my Louder Than Bombs inspired design. Like the lyrics of this song, I hope you guys can find something beyond the pain and sadness that comes with your craft or whatever you love doing, and focus on the more positive things.